guys, last week we learned the single time step and we had a few little variations that you could add on to the single time step. This week we're going to be learning the double time step in 2 different ways. Now, if you haven't yet learned the single time step, go ahead and check out that video and I will put it right there. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into the double time step. So as you all know, the single time step starts out with a stomp on 8 and goes from there. So let's just review the single. A 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, change the lap, step, stomp. Hop, change the lap, step, stomp. The double time step is going to add 1 additional sound. The counts for the single time step are 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. For the double time step, the counts are 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So you're going to add in that extra little count immediately after the hop. Or if you like to do a heel drop rather than a hop, it will go immediately after the heel drop. So the first variation of the double time step includes an extra flap. This is what it looks like. 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, lap, step, stomp. So rather than doing the stomp, hop, change, you're going to do a stomp, hop, lap. One more time slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, lap, step, stomp. So the rest of the time step is exactly like the single time step. You're just adding a flap rather than just a change. So let's try it on the right foot a little bit faster and we'll go from there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, lap, step, stomp. Great. So now we're ready to do it on the left foot. So we've just done the stomp on 8 and we do hop, lap, step, stomp. To the back. Starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, lap, step, stomp. Hop, lap, step, stomp. Great! Okay, let's go on to the next variation of the double time step. So this time, rather than doing a flap, you're going to do a toe dig. Watch it really quickly. 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, toe change, lap, step, stomp. Hop, toe change, lap, step, stomp. So it's the same counts and same timing as the first version, but the step's just a little bit different. Now let's do that a little bit more slowly and we'll do it to the side this time. Starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, toe change, the lap, step, stomp. Hop, toe change, the lap, step, stomp. All right, one more time, a little bit faster, this time to the back. Starting on the right foot. A 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, toe change, the lap, step, stomp. Hop, toe change, the lap, step. 2 more times. Hop, toe change, the lap, step, stomp. Hop, toe change, the lap, step, stomp. Super easy, right? Okay, what we're going to do now is 4 double time steps with the flap. So we're going to do right, left, and then we're going to follow it up with 4 double time steps with the toe change. So a toe dig and a change. And we're starting that on the right foot. So we'll just keep going. So there will be 8 total. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, stomp. Hop, lap, step, stomp. Hop, lap, step, stomp. Hop, lap, step, stomp. Hop, lap, step, stomp. Hop, toe change, 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 lap, step, stomp. So you can use these 2 interchangeably. And just like a single time step, you can add on either the pickup after the stomp or you could exchange the stomp for a shuffle. Take a look. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. That was with the pickup. Now with the shuffle. I'll do this one to the side. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, a lap, step, shuffle, hop, a lap, step, shuffle, hop, toe change, a lap, step, shuffle, hop, toe change, a lap, step. All right, so if that seemed like it was a little bit too advanced for you, go ahead and check out the single time step tutorial that we did last week. And if you felt like you've got a really good hold on the double time step, then work on gaining some speed. Just make sure you're not missing any of those sounds. Thanks for joining me today, guys, and stay tuned for the triple time step tutorial to come. And please remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave comments below, and make sure to hit that little bell button so that you're alerted when new videos are uploaded. Have fun tapping, guys. Bye.